Following the wrong financial guru is extremely dangerous. I learned that lesson the hard way. There are so many experts and so called experts out there. Are you wondering who you should follow? Most of you might not have the time to read a book, and that's why I'm here. But for those of you who like to read, this book, Richer, Wiser, Happier, is a great place to start learning about these great investors. The person that I want to cover in this video is Joel Greenblatt. My favorite quote of his is this: choosing individual stocks without any idea of what you're looking for is like running through a dynamite factory with a burning match. You may live, but you are still an idiot. There are so many criteria to choose from. Some are simple and some are complicated. The process that I'm using falls within the KISS category. And no, not that type of KISS. I'm talking about keeping it simple, Sherlock. Watch this next video to learn how I look for great companies. But the point of this video is to remind you to take the time to learn about these great investors, learn what they did to be successful, and find the best criteria for you. Don't just follow anybody, follow someone worthy. Your future depends on it.